Do you want to reveal your video with a magical burst of glowing flames in CapCut Mobile? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a magical flame reveal animation step by step. Let's get started! First, open CapCut Mobile and tap for New Project. Select the video or photo you want to reveal, then tap Add to import it on your video. Click on the main clip. And at the bottom, click on the animation button. You'll usually see in, out, or combo section, but for this effect, go to the in section. Use the search bar to search for magical flame. Once you've entered it, it will lead you to a library of animation options. If you find the one that you like, tap it to preview it on your video. You can also adjust its duration by simply sliding the duration slider below. Once you're done there, you can click on the check button. Now is the time to preview your video. Click on the play button and check for some adjustments. Once you're satisfied, click on the export button at the top right corner of your screen. And that's it! That's how you create a magical flame reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you!